So what we have here is a DPF cleaning technology that we use with Central Valley HHO. We're actually cleaning the DPF on the truck without removing it. As you can see, the DPF is full and it's in derate, so the truck is not able to operate at this point.
All right, as you can see, started the regen here about 5 minutes ago. You can see it says soot level very high.
So typically what happens here is soot level's very high, the truck falls out of regen, and you now have to replace the DPF filter. But with hydrogen, you don't. You just continue the cleaning and it cleans out the soot.
Okay, we're like 13 minutes in, and now you can see that the soot level, it says soot level high, not extremely high. We're 13 minutes into it, and you can see that the M bar now is 2344, and it's actually saying low soot level here. And our NOx output level is 35 parts per million. And just to show you what we got going on here, the hydrogen hose here. Hydrogen unit, we're at 56 minutes now, counting down. There's a hydrogen production. Getting a lot of amazing results doing these cleanings. Yeah. All right, as you can see, we're 53 minutes into the video now, and you can see where the M bar is. And the parts per million, we're about ready to be done with it. We're about 53, like I said, 53 minutes in. So hopefully it's almost done. Now you can see that the dash is saying DPF regen occurring. So now the high level's out and extremely high is out. So we are getting close to finishing the regen. Oh, just fell out of regen, as you can see. So we just finished.
Okay, as you can see here, our soot level was at 8.04 grams when we started. So when we started introducing the hydrogen with the regen cycle, as you can see, we got it down to 1.44, which is 82% cleaner. So you will only achieve this with a precise amount of hydrogen and oxygen that we put in the engine. And otherwise you would have to remove the DPF from the truck and have it serviced.